Hello everyone. Meitei long chu phazan ngang ba hi de adubu wahi amani khat amani share dawgi go hoji thoi ba thodok shi chukno nungai de haibadi mayam khanglam gani Manipur da hoji thoi ba thodok shi go main oina kuki narco terrorist refugee moina hoji tawri shi go adu first adi Meitei bu tawre hojikti amuka Naga bu lakre aduga nahan angang ani moina bonga pokayalaga angang ani adumuk nungsiba angang dusu shigre go aduga nahan muk ngarang nahan muk amuga tangpul impangdagi ukur lakum damna moina lambida impose tawraga miani hatbigre go amuga go. Hey, cookies, especially refugee cookies in Bugo in a hiding bodigo. We the Nagas are the peace-loving community, especially our temple. Ekoi angang wedding I degi, ekoi ima ipa shing, ekoi get forefathers shing ekoi bu takbi bodi. Love your enemies, go. Druga mibu revenge logo no have je takbi bago. Ekoi adu itamak angang wedding I degi oji power show ekoi. Yam patient oina. Christian tauba ngamdaba tinat tebo adubu as a Christian ama oina ekoi as pateko aina nakpawani adubu henman gre go cookie singje go henman gre go kibanate henman gre go cookies are the refugee habise angang sing wangang ba he ngang ba go moi singju khangye ujekte. It is clear that you guys are refugees. Aroi damak cookie singo haining body go nigi lamda leiradi you have to recognize, you have to honor to the landowner go Hazan the lake air di go why madam amada noe Manipur dagi or like Naga gi lam dagi chatladi noi tai chakera noi lam nei de adu damak nungsi nai koina lehal laga noina mapu tawge ujikti ha. So dear brothers and sisters from cookies, know this. I can die for my motherland, okay? But you, egi motherland gidamak shiba I won't regret. Edi regret chuk loy. But you, if you die in this war, you will regret. I know. I didn't know it chundeba. Don't think that ekoi tumra leye tangul singje Naga singje ekoi ki khutlai phajai kaina moi kiram gani haina di khangbi gano noina leiba khutlai chap manana ekoi chu leigo we have go adu noi ekoi di noi gi adumaina show off towning di go adu know this, know your landlord, know your landowner. Cookie terrorist refugee lion je tum ringai matam da go hokathan gano ma bo proverb sama lebni go henman gre cookie noi singje henman gre. We the young generation, our blood is boiling like anything inside, okay? But we're still controlling. Do we not have patience enough? So there are cookies, terrorists, refugee. Know this, okay?